Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to check gas prices on Waze. So, in order for you to do this process, first things first is of course you would just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now, guys, once you are here on the Waze, as you can see, you could just simply swipe to the top, the bar over here. And now from here, as you can see, we will have multiple options. Tap on where to. And from here on the where to, you should be able to see here gas. So go ahead and tap on a gas over here. Now, guys, over here, as you can see, you will have multiple options to filter it out. So you can sort it out by distance. You can sort it out by price. You can sort it out by brand and best matches. So what you could try to do is sort by price. And from here, you could sort it out by diesel, by regular, premium, or super premium. So pretty much you can filter it out by open now over here at the top. And from here, you could also have a preferred brand. So from here, you will have a list of brand that you might want to consider if you want that. And from here, you will have the preferred gas type and you will have top rated. And if you select more, you can filter out many things as well over here. But pretty much if you want to check the gas prices, you could just simply select preferred gas type. You could just simply go ahead and go select your gas type. For example, I'm going to go for regular one. And from here, as you can see right away, I should be able to check the prices and the distance. And from here, the prices of the regular gases over here on my location is 60 and 59. And pretty much you should be able to check the gas prices over here. So guys, from here, you could filter out the best option and the best gas station nearby. And pretty much the filters will be depending on your own personal preferences.